Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Friday. So today we are working on our IEP goals. So let's go ahead and get our student bundle and let's go ahead and look at our calendar. Today is Friday, so we are working on pictures that belong together. We're going to look at page 23. Let's go to page 23. Okay, let's read the instructions. Circle the pictures that belong together in each box. So we reviewed this yesterday on Thursday. So today we're going to continue with our review. Let's go ahead and begin. So let's look at picture number 1. We have an 18-wheeler, we have a car, we have a butterfly, and we have a bus. So let's circle the pictures that belong together. Let's circle the 18-wheeler, circle the car, and circle the bus. Those pictures belong together. Those are vehicles because they take you places, right? Let's look at the next picture. We have a little boy fishing, we have another little boy fishing, and we have a little third boy fishing. And the fourth picture is somebody riding a little helicopter. So circle the pictures that belong together. If you circle the 3 little boys fishing, you are correct. Those pictures belong together. They are doing the same thing. Let's go ahead and work on number 3. We see that this first person is playing the trumpet. The second person is playing the violin. Third person is playing the guitar. And the fourth person is under the rain with an umbrella. So let's go ahead and see which pictures belong together in each box. So if you circle the ones that the kids are playing an instrument, you are correct. They belong together. Let's look at picture number 4. We have a pencil, we have a crayon, a little hand, and a pen. So which ones belong together? I see 3 pictures that are tools that are used for writing. So these 3 pictures belong together. Good job, boys and girls. When you are done, don't forget to ask your parents to submit a picture through our Teams app. Have a great weekend. Enjoy the rest of your Friday.